Typically in Florida, the people that are responsible or can be held responsible for causing motorcycle accidents in Florida are the driver of the vehicle that might have caused the accident. If it's a different owner than the driver, that person can also be held responsible if permissive use is established. If the vehicle that was involved in the crash with the motorcycle is a situation where an employee is driving an employer vehicle, a situation like that, then the employer can be held responsible as well. So again, it's very factually specific, but typically you look at the driver, the owner, and any other people, as long as the work was done in the scope and course of the employment, then that might be a target as well.